Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to create a sandbox in B2Brouter and connect it to your developer environment. The sandbox is a safe testing space where you can try the B2Brouter API without affecting real data, sending documents to real recipients, or using your production account. Let's get started. First, log in to your B2Brouter account. From the main menu, click on Developers. Here, you'll find the Sandbox section. Click on Sandbox to access your test environments. Now click on Create Sandbox. Add a name for your sandbox. Once the name is added, confirm the creation. Your sandbox is now ready. When you enter the sandbox, you'll see a purple banner at the top of the screen. This banner reminds you that you are working in the test environment. Everything you create here, contacts, invoices, products, templates, and API keys, stays inside the sandbox and does not affect your production account. Next, go to the API or developer configuration section inside the sandbox. Here, you'll find your sandbox API key. Copy the test API key and paste it into your developer site or integration settings. Now, copy the account identifier from B2Brouter. Paste this account identifier into your developer site as well. At this point, your developer environment is connected to the B2Brouter Sandbox. This means you can start testing your integration safely without sending real documents or modifying your real production data. Now, go to your own program or developer environment. Create a new contact using the Sandbox connection. Once the contact is created, go back to B2Brouter and open the Contacts section inside the sandbox. You'll see that the contact has been created automatically in B2Brouter. This confirms that the connection between your program and the B2Brouter Sandbox is working correctly. The same process works with invoices. Go back to your program and create a test invoice for the contact you just added. Then, return to B2Brouter and open the invoice section inside the sandbox. You'll see that the invoice has also been created automatically. Remember, this is only a test invoice. It stays inside the sandbox and will not be sent to a real recipient. The sandbox is designed for testing and technical validation. You can use it to check your API integration, create contacts, generate invoices, test webhooks, and validate the full document lifecycle. However, the sandbox does not send real emails, does not transmit documents through the real PEPL network, and does not make real tax submissions. So it's perfect for testing, but not for real operations. And that's it. You've created a sandbox in B2Brouter, copied the test API key and account identifier, connected them to your developer site, and tested the automatic creation of contacts and invoices. From here, you can continue testing your integration safely before moving to production. Thanks for watching.